The biggest lie about life insurance that costs families thousands. The biggest lie in the life insurance industry is that life insurance is an investment. If someone has led with that when pitching you, you need to hear this. I've been inside this industry for years, and I've helped thousands of families set up coverage the right way. I'm telling you this because I'm on your side, not the industry's side. Life insurance is not designed to make you rich. It's designed to replace income when someone dies. That's it. Now, can certain policies accumulate cash value? Sure, but that doesn't automatically make them a good investment. What most agents won't explain clearly is that when you buy permanent life insurance for investment purposes, a large portion of your early payments goes toward fees, commissions, and insurance costs. That means for years you're behind. Meanwhile, you could have bought affordable term insurance, invested the difference, and built wealth separately. For most families, that strategy wins. The problem isn't permanent insurance itself. The problem is positioning it as something it's not. If someone is trying to sell you life insurance primarily as a wealth-building vehicle before you even have basic protection handled, that's backwards. Protection first, investing second. If you want to see what simple, affordable protection actually costs, I've got a free quote tool linked on my page from a carrier I trust. No pressure, just transparency. And if you appreciate someone actually breaking this stuff down without the sales spin, like and follow. I'm here to spill the beans the industry won't. Ever wonder why term life insurance is so cheap and why some agents immediately try to move you away from it? There's a reason. Term insurance is simple. You pay for coverage for a specific period, 10, 20, or 30 years. If you pass during that time, your family gets paid. If you don't, it expires. That simplicity is exactly why it's inexpensive. For a healthy 30-year-old, you might get $500,000 to $1 million in coverage for less than what most people spend on streaming services. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Term policies typically pay lower commissions than many permanent policies. I'm not saying every agent is commission-driven, but incentives matter in every industry. When I help families, I start with one question. What problem are we solving? If it's income replacement, paying off a mortgage, or protecting young kids, term handles that beautifully. Once you're financially independent, the need for coverage often shrinks or disappears entirely. Permanent insurance has its place, but the automatic term is bad narrative just isn't accurate. If you want to see what term would actually cost you, not what someone tells you it costs, the free quote tool on my page pulls real numbers from a carrier I trust. Check it out. It's free. And if you like having an industry insider who's actually on your side, like and follow. I've helped thousands of families, and I'm just getting started pulling back the curtain on how this really works. Here's the framework the industry doesn't teach clearly. Life insurance is temporary for most people. Let me explain. When do you actually need life insurance? When someone depends on your income. That's it. If you're 28 with 2 kids and a mortgage, you absolutely need coverage. If you're 65, the house is paid off, investments are stacked, and no one depends on your paycheck, the need may be dramatically lower. Insurance exists to transfer risk during your vulnerable years. It is not meant to be a forever financial crutch for most households. The goal should be simple. Protect your income, build assets, and eventually become self-insured. That's the path. And I say this as someone who works inside the industry and has helped thousands of people structure this correctly. My mission isn't to bash life insurance. It's to make sure you buy the right amount, at the right time, for the right reason. If you want to see what smart protection looks like for your situation, the free quote tool on my page is from a carrier I personally trust. Run the numbers and educate yourself. And if this helped clarify things, like and follow. I'm here to give you the insider perspective, without the hype. I'll see you in the next video.